So as another storm approaches, work continues for crews and property owners looking to clean up from the recent rains. But KITV's Hunter Ellis shows us a spot in downtown where the work has been shut down.
This is now the scene at the Waller Creek Tunnel Outlet.
I think at this site it's pretty much, as bad as it can get.
Robin Truesdale snapped this picture when she arrived at the Austin Rowing Club on Sunday morning.
It's astonishing how much water came as quickly as it did.
The cofferdam you see right here was designed to withstand a 100-year rain event. But in just a matter of hours, Mother Nature delivered a lot more than this dam could handle.
You can plan to deal with Mother Nature, but she has her own plans, and you just have to deal with it when it arrives.
Heavy machinery now lies hidden beneath 30 feet of water.
One of the concerns we have is the fuel and oil that's associated with those equipment, so we are testing the water inside the site to determine what the proper disposal process will be.
And as soon as those results are out and made public, we'll breathe a sigh of relief.
With the next round of rain approaching, other parts of the project, like the inlet, are now being prepared.
We do have some saturated soils, which are the worst kind to deal with in a flood, so we're doing some protective measures there as well to help stabilize the situation for the upcoming event.
But despite the forecast, the city says once the environmental tests are complete, they expect to have normal operations resumed within 2 weeks. Hunter Ellis, KITV News.
The Waller Creek Tunnel project costs almost $147 million, but according to the city tonight, they should not incur any additional costs for the cleanup, as most of the responsibility lies with the contractor.